Hey, morning everybody. It is May 20th, Monday. Start of a nice, fresh new week, baby. Let's go ahead and take a look here at what happened on Friday. We'll jump on back. And Friday was just kind of a total chop fest. Remember, in the news report, we were talking about how we were in a battle zone scenario. And we were looking for a price to either break out through the highs of Thursday or break down through the lows of the overnight session of basically the Globex session there. So basically this low down here. And we were looking to see who was going to win out, the Bulls or the Bears. We had kind of equal arguments on either side. And then what ended up happening here? Just a total chop fest all day, right? So tried to hold, and this is kind of how it played out for most of the morning. It just tried to hold the previous daily close and the previous daily low. And I mean, quite literally to the tick in many instances here for a while. Then you get that first little clue. So if you're watching the market and you're like, man, this is just total garbage here. We are making the lower highs, and then bam, we now get a lower low. That was kind of a clue. Now, I'm not saying that just because you get a push below a level, that's 100% guarantee we're going to go lower. But that was kind of that first little clue, that little omen in the chart. And sure enough, it did eventually pop lower, right? So we had a double top right around the VWAP, little trouble for the Bulls there, and then they brought it lower, only to pop it right back up. And at the end of the day, closed basically right around where it opened. So like I said, Friday was just kind of, there's nothing really to say. It just chopped around in a tight range, tried to peak lower, started going in that bearish direction. Remember, we had a lot of clues for the Bears up from the highs of Thursday and Friday. And so, well, I should say up from the highs of Thursday. And then we got the big pullback at the end of Thursday there. And we started to get continuation in that direction. But as you can see, pretty short-lived, just a little fake out there. And then they brought it back up. I guess technically right at the end of the day there, as it was ripping out, pushing to new highs for the day here, right? If you're looking over here, the high of the day was basically right there. Just started to peek through as we were getting to the end of the day, and then bam, the pullback right to the 200 there for the pop at the end of the day. So again, nothing sexy to talk about, but that's how Friday played out. And now here we are coming into this new week. Here is Monday's Globex session, or I should say Sunday's Globex section coming into Monday's pre-market here, and still kind of playing inside of the range that we wanted to get outside of on Friday, right? On Friday, we wanted to get outside of the high of Thursday or the low of the overnight session from Thursday, or from Friday, I should say Thursday afternoon's Globex. And what happened? They peaked down below it, then came right back up, right into the middle of that range. So kind of in a similar scenario this morning. So let's go ahead and jump up. Like I said, not much to say here. This is a quick little review because nothing sexy to talk about there. So let's go ahead and jump up to the higher time frames now, and we will see how what the charts are telling us for this morning. So let's go ahead.